Guys, in many ways, this is Kobe Bryant's weekend. The 20-year career will come to an end soon enough. Tonight, his 18th and final All-Star appearance. And you were in an interesting situation here 13 years ago when you coached Michael Jordan in his final All-Star appearance. If you had advice for Greg Popovich tonight, what would it be about managing that honor?
Well, no one can really give Popovich, advice. However, what I tried to do with Jordan is just make sure that I put him in every game-winning situation and try to make sure that I got the ball to him as often as possible. And it's such a luxury when you have a player like that. And the thing that I felt most gracious about was just that how giving he was and how coachable he was in that All-Star game. He was very giving to the players, but he was also very competitive in that game. He came out to compete, came out to win, and I really enjoyed coaching him and that day being a friend of his. And the most important part about that day was my son wanted his autograph, and he autographed my son's shoes and also shook his hand, took a picture with him. So on that day, I can honestly say I loved Michael Jordan for the way he treated my son.